Meaning of imposing.
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 Imposing. The word imposing can have a few different meanings, but generally it refers to something or someone that has an impressive or commanding presence, often due to size, strength, or authority. It can also refer to an act of forcefully establishing something, such as an idea or a rule. When something is imposing, it can evoke feelings of awe, reverence, or intimidation in those who come into contact with it. Overall, the term imposing describes something that exerts a significant influence or impact on its surroundings in a powerful and noticeable way.